Hello, my name is Tim and I'm a U-Haul professional from Branson, Missouri. Installing a hitch on your Dodge Durango can lead to some amazing adventures such as biking, camping, and boating. You could even tow a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Now, let me show you how to complete this install. You will need to provide the following tools or supplies to complete this installation. All right, we're going to get this tire lowered and we're going to use the existing jack that's back here in the hatch. All right, now we're going to remove the two existing bolts on each side using a breaker bar and a 21mm socket. Once you have them broke, you can switch to a power tool and get the bolts out of there. From time to time, you'll run into some body caulking that will get in the way. The passenger side looks like it's okay, but this driver's side looks like it's going to be in the way, so we're going to need to get that out of there. All right, I'm going to go ahead and line up the holes for the hitch and get it mounted. I am using a U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you do not have one, I recommend you get a second set of hands. Each side of this hitch is going to go on an inside part of this spare tire shield, and then we'll lift it up into place. Now that we have our hitch in place, we're going to put in our 4 factory bolts, 21mm. All right, I am now going to torque down the bolts to the manufacturer specifications. You'll see those in the instructions. We'll raise the spare tire back into position. I left the jack equipment in place, so all I have to do is spin it right back up into place. Now that we have the hitch installed, we pulled it to level ground so we can show you some important measurements. All right, what you see is a 2-inch hitch receiver. The distance between the pinhole and the end of the bumper is 4 inches. The distance between the ground and the inside top of the hitch receiver is 13¼ inches. These measurements will help you determine the necessary length, rise, or drop of your hitch accessories, like a ball mount, bike rack, or cargo carrier. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.